Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class brought to you by St. Xavier School, Khulna. This is Mohammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School, Khulna. Dear learners, I expect that all of you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am Alhamdulillah. I am also fine. Dear students, firstly, I would like to thank because you are submitting your assignment timely, as well as you are also participating in your class in due time. Okay. Today I am going to conduct a class for class 7 English second paper. Before starting my class, I would like to mention that I had also discussed on this topic. I am again going to discuss on this topic because this is very important topic. Okay, dear students, let's go to start our today's session. What we are going to learn. Welcome to online class. How are you, dear students? Dear learner, this is my identity. I have already given you. Look at the pictures and try to make present, past and future tense. Okay. I read in this school. I was a student of this school. I shall read in this school. Dear students, can you clarify of this all this sentence? I read this school. I read in this school. This is present indefinite tense. You are right. I was a student of this school. This is past indefinite tense, right? Exactly, you are right. And I shall read in this school. This is future tense, future indefinite tense, right? So first one is present indefinite tense, second one is past indefinite, and third one is future indefinite. Okay? Again, try to say their views. I read in this school. Okay, I was a student of this school, and I shall read in this school. So, my dear students, do you imagine what have they expressed? Yes, they are expressing their views, and this is the example of tense, right? I mean, they have expressed the time of action. They have expressed the time of action. Okay. Do you know what does indicate the time of action, dear students? Do you know what does indicate the time of action? Excuse me, sir, it may be tense. Exactly. Yes, thanks a lot, dear student. This is tense. So, today our lesson is tense. Lesson declaration. Today we are going to discuss on tense. Today, our today's topic is tense. Learning outcome. After completing this unit, students will be able to say how many kinds of sentence. say how many kinds of sentence. More classification of tense. More classification of tense. Make correct sentence according to different rules of tense. Rewrite sentences or passages present to past or future tense. Okay, this is our learning outcome. Declaration and classification. Can anyone say the definition and classification of tense? Tense is the change of form in a verb to express the time of action. What is tense? Tense is the change of form in a verb to express the time of action. There are three kinds of tense. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. Please dear students, I think you are ready to join my class, and you also having khata, pen, pencil and notebooks. So please write this definition and classification of tense in your notebook, please, and do it quickly. Tense is the change of form in a verb to express their time of action. More classification. Have there any more kinds of tense? Yes. Again, these tense have divided into four forms. How many forms? Four forms. They are indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay. Please write this classification of tense in your notebook, please. Structure of present tense. This structure is very important, dear students. So please write down this structure in your notebook. Structure of present tense. Structure of present tense. Present indefinite, subject plus main verb plus object. Okay, subject plus verb plus object, and there are also a very important note, and the note is সাবজেক্ট যদি থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার হয় তাহলে ভার্বের সাথে এস বা ইএস বা আইএস যোগ করতে হবে। ওকে, অ্যান্ড দ্য স্ট্রাকচার অফ কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস এম ইজ আর, এম অবলিক ইজ অবলিক আর প্লাস ভার্ব প্লাস আইএনজি। পারফেক্ট টেন্স, প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস হ্যাভ অবলিক হ্যাজ প্লাস পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল অফ ভার্বস, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস হ্যাভ অবলিক হ্যাজ প্লাস পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল অফ ভার্ব। Then perfect continuous tense, subject plus have been or has been plus verb plus ing plus since or for. Okay, the students, please write this structure in your notebook quickly. Now try to make 4 sentences according to above structure. Dear students, now try to make 4 sentences according to above structure. Indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And this is the structure, this is the example. Please write the example in your notebook. First one is I eat rice. This is present indefinite tense. I eat rice. This is present indefinite tense, and continuous is I am eating rice. I am eating rice. This is present continuous tense. This is the example of present continuous tense. And third one is I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. This is present perfect tense. This is the structure of present perfect tense. And last one is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating rice for an hour or 1 hour. I have been eating rice for 1 hour or an hour. Okay, this is the example of present perfect continuous tense. So dear students, please write this example and structure in your notebook very quickly. Okay. Now we will go to next slide. Structure of past tense. Structure of past tense. This is the structure of past tense. Subject plus past indefinite tense. Firstly, past indefinite tense, subject plus past form of verb plus object. Subject plus past form of verb plus object. Second one, continuous, past continuous, subject plus was oblique were plus verb plus ing. Subject plus was oblique were plus verb plus ing. This is continuous. Past continuous. Then past perfect. The structure of past perfect is subject plus had plus past participle of verb, then object or extension. Then past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had been. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. Okay, dear students, this is the structure of past tense. Now we will go to example. Okay. Now try to make 4 sentences according to above structure. You have to write these 4 examples above according to above structure. Okay, first one is I eat rice. It will be I ate rice. I ate rice. I ate rice. This is past indefinite tense. I ate rice. And past continuous, I was eating rice. I was eating rice, or we were eating rice. This is past continuous tense. Okay, I was eating rice, or we were eating rice. This is the example of past continuous tense. And the third one is past perfect tense. I had eaten rice before the bell rang. I had eaten rice before the bell rang. This is the example of past perfect tense. This is the example of past perfect tense. Okay, I had eaten rice before the bell rang. Perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. Okay, so we will apply this structure in past perfect continuous. So the example is I had been reading. I had been reading in the primary school for 5 years. I had been reading in the primary school for 5 years. This is the example of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Please write this structure and example in your notebook quickly, dear students. Now we will go to next slide. Structure of future tense. Structure of future tense. Future indefinite. Firstly, subject plus shall oblique will. Subject plus shall oblique will plus verb plus object. Okay. This is the structure of future indefinite tense: subject plus shall oblique will plus verb plus object. Future continuous: subject plus shall be oblique will be. Subject plus shall be oblique will be plus verb plus ing. This future continuous tense. And then the structure of future perfect tense: subject plus shall have oblique will have. Subject plus shall have oblique will have plus past participle of verbs plus past participle of verb. This is the example of future perfect tense. Then future perfect continuous tense: subject plus shall have been or will have been. Subject plus shall have been or will have been plus verb plus ing plus since for time. Okay, this is the example of future perfect continuous tense. Now we will go to structure. Dear students, now try to make 4 sentences according to the above structure. Okay, this is the example according to the above structure. Firstly, future indefinite tense: I shall eat rice. I shall eat rice. This is future indefinite tense. I shall be eating rice. This is future continuous tense. I shall be eating rice. I shall be eating rice. This is future continuous tense. Future perfect: I shall have. I shall have eaten rice. I shall have eaten rice, or oblique we will have eaten rice. We will have eaten rice. This is the example of future perfect tense. And the last one is future perfect continuous tense: I shall have been reading in this school for 5 years. This is the example of future perfect continuous tense: I shall have been reading in this school for 5 years. Okay, and this is the structure example of future tense. So dear students, please write this structure and example in your notebook very quickly. Okay. The students, I think you have already written this structure and example in your notebook. Now I am going to next slide, individual work. Now make 3 sentences according to above pictures: present tense, past tense, future tense. You have to write 3 sentences according to above picture. This peer work, since you are staying at home, so no need to do peer work. You have to do it individually. Fill in the gaps with the right form of verbs. Sad, yes, Sad reads in class 6. Sad read in class 6. He went to school yesterday. He went to school yesterday. He does not play cricket. সে ক্রিকেট খেলতে পারে না. Do you drink milk every day? Do you drink milk every day? We should love our country. We should love our country. Group work, dear students, since you are staying at home, so no need to do it group work. This is your homework. Make a chart of tense. Dear student, this is your homework. Make a chart of tense. Okay, dear students, we have already reached the ending situation in your class. Dear students, thank you very much for your active participation in my class, and stay home. Don't go outside without any emergency, and you have to abide by the rules of health and hygiene, and you have to be more cautious and conscious about your study. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.